Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to make a Python program which is actually going to convert the text you type into the handwriting. So, without wasting a time, let's get started. Now, firstly, what are we gonna do here is that I'm going to import a module which is py.kit, but py.kit is not a built-in module, so we have to install it, isn't it? So what are we gonna do is that we are going to go to the Google window and say py what it python install. So it is gonna search for it. Here you will see a site link py.kit pypl. Click on it. Click on it. Here in this site you will see that there is py.kit command, the command written to install the py.kit module. So there will here you will see a copy to clipboard button. Click on it and open the terminal, paste it and hit enter. It is gonna install py.kit module for us, but my pip says that I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it. Now what am I gonna do is that I'm going to import py.kit module as kit. What this means is that I'm going to import the py.kit module as kit. Now what am I gonna type in my code is that kit dot e let's say text to handwriting and handwriting. Now add parentheses there. It will ask some parameters you have to give it to. It will ask you string. I'm going to say Python is a great programming language. Then in the next parameter is it asks for the location. You can give it the location where you want to save the file, but instead I'm not going to give it as it is just gonna as there is a default location saved in it, which is the main folder of my VS Code projects. Now let's run our code and see what is the result. It should create an image here. It is gonna take some time. Now there we can see the result in the py.kit.png file. Here you can see that my Python program has written Python is great programming language string to Python is great programming language handwriting. Now you must be wondering how to add spaces to it, meaning new lines to it. Just type this front slash with n. It is gonna add a new line to your py.kit.png. It is gonna take some time to update the image. It gives us an error, so I'm gonna just stick it with the Python. Now let's see the result. Now let's go to the py.kit.png and see, wait for the result. And here is the result we got. Which gave me this much. Okay, let's run this again. There might be some problems. So So here, this is the Python is great programming language handwriting with a new line. So thank you for being till the end and meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.